Hey yo, we back with another video. You thought I would forget? No. Guys, please like my videos. It's because I keep getting like little views. That's why. Oh my god, I'm so sad. Well, today I'm gonna be showing you my stuff. This thing. These are toys, by the way. It's like these things that boom, and then a now comes out, and then I think there's a pew gun or something. Probably for the tooth or something. Okay, I know this. Oh my god, not again. No, not again. What the heck? Oh my god. Oh, this doesn't work. I don't know why. But yeah. And then we got the big fatty. Guys. Okay, so you like this? You like this? You like this? You like this stuff? Okay. Like if you like this. Okay? Okay. Boom. And also, we went to a pumpkin place like when it was not dark. So yeah. But now we're the best in the test. Get out of here. Let's do it. The drop. Oh. Oh. I just dropped it.